A typical introduction consists of three components: a hook or opening general statement, a bridge, and a thesis statement. There's already a video in this series devoted to writing a thesis statement. That's because it should be the first priority in writing your essay. The rest of the introduction can wait until your thesis and body paragraphs are completely planned. Think about it. Filmmakers don't make a movie trailer first, they film the movie. Then they know exactly what's going to be in it and how to market it. Then they use that information to produce a trailer. In this video, you'll see how to build your introduction around your thesis using a model thesis from the previous video. Consider these hook and bridge examples for our thesis, which is: cell phones belong in school because they can save lives, serve as learning tools, and teach teenagers responsibility. A hook or opening general statement is the very first line of your paper, which should ensnare the attention or curiosity of your reader. There are lots of ways to do this. An elementary version of a hook involves asking your reader a rhetorical question to get them thinking about the subject, though this must be done with tact. Rhetorical questions are usually more suitable for speeches, but if you must use one and can't think of anything else to do, it may look something like this. A more sophisticated technique involves using sensory details or imagery that make the reader feel something they are interested in. These are best applied to scenarios that can pique a reader's interest. Consider these examples. Other techniques involve general sentences about the topic to introduce it as seen here. If you happen to know any meaningful statistics or figures on the issue, you can apply them to your opening general statement, but you should never make up statistics or include them in your paper if you can't cite them. If you can, here's one example. A bridge is just a line in your introduction that connects the concept of your hook to your specific thesis. We already know what our thesis is, so let's look at our 6 examples for hooks or opening general statements and how we can bridge each one of them into the same thesis statement. Once you've done so, practice writing a full introduction on your own, including a hook, bridge, and thesis. Consider these bridge examples for each of our previously mentioned opening general statements.